Hello, we are with the part 4. After some errors with the UV mapping, as I had a stretch around this area, I found out what was the problem. You can choose here. By default it's on flat, but it's looking just awful. So we can do some trials with the other options, and we can blend them. As you see, they're straight patched, so I found out 15 it's fine for me. So we are with the part 4. Now we will bake all the textures from the stone into maps to send them to Unreal Engine to use it in landscaping. Hope you enjoy. First off, let's save. Now I have to create other maps. I will name it diff for the diffuse map. Maybe I leave it 1K. Now from the baking, diffuse, and I leave only color. I don't need selected to active. Every other setting is fine. And yes, the sampling it's fine. I will get this window bigger so I can see the result. Maybe it's not exactly what I want. Yes, that's perfect. Now save it. RGB, no compression. Okay. And now for the roughness. We need also a roughness map. I select it from here. And I select roughness. I wait for the bake. That's my roughness. Perfect. Whereas I was close to forget to save it. And now all the textures are baked. Let's take a look. Yep, that's just perfect. Another good thing to do for low polys, if you want to use them in landscaping with Unreal Engine, is to get them in a low LOD system by reducing them with every level. Let me just okay, so I got in some technical difficulties. So for the LOD system, that's the naming. I reduce the poly count for the second and third level by planar angle limit with UVs. I will apply the modifiers. And now one last thing. I need the custom property. FBX type. Okay, I need to rename it. So now with everything selected, I will save first. After that, I export it into FBX. Stone, selected, mesh. Path mode to copy. Custom properties. That transforms. Yep. So now I will open up Unreal Engine to test out the stone. Yes, and we are back in Unreal Engine. Now I will import the stone. LOD is already enabled. Okay. Now my normal map is not imported. So now I have also the normal map. And apparently the redness, it's into the metallic channel. Okay, I save it. Let's see what we got. Welcome. Okay. So as I can see, as I'm getting closer, the mesh is getting more and more in geometry. There are some weird artifacts. So that was the tutorial for today. Hopefully you learned something new and you liked the tutorial. Until then, see you.